Hey, how do you do? So, I'd like to talk a little bit about my online teaching, about the matters and some of the subjects that I've been working on for the past 19 years. Been creating websites, and in the past 5 years, I've been creating or dedicating myself to digital marketing. So, one of the lessons that I'm offering on Superprof is Google Ads, digital marketing, funnel landing page. So if you go to my Superprof profile, as you can see, we're reviewing now here on the screen, then you're gonna find some of the classes that I'm offering right there. So as you can see, the first lesson is for free, 30 minutes, so we can get to know each other and discuss, and I can understand your needs and your goals and where you're gonna go on Google Ads, web design, and all the different tutor ads that I got running right now, web developer, SEO, Google Ads, and web design. Digital marketing and Google Ads is a very similar, where is digital? Google Ads is right here. It's a very similar lesson. Only this one is a little bit broader, has more content included. The Google Ads campaigns are just for Google Ads. This is for people who doesn't need a landing page or doesn't need SEO or doesn't need to work on the conversion optimization of the website, improve the websites, conversions, and everything. Because remember, marketing is not about Google Ads, it's not about SEO only, it's not about email marketing. It's about what people are going to see when they go to your website, when they go to the landing page. How's it gonna be? How well structured the message is right there on the landing page. You have to be very precise. You have to be uh, straight to the point. Potential clients will go to your website, go to your landing page, and if they don't find what they're looking for on the hero section, the above the fold top part of the landing page, you probably will lose the client. So there are a number of conversion techniques that we should apply on um, your user interface on your website or landing page. So this number of techniques I cover on the digital marketing uh, tutor class right here. Anyway, the first lesson is free. Let's get to know each other. Let's talk about your needs and where you want to go, and we can go from there. I just wanted to record this video so you can see my face talking to you about all this, and perhaps have a better idea of who is Don Martinez from Miami. All the best for you, and I hope to see your request for online lessons soon. All the best. Bye bye. Hey, it's me again. Forgot to mention. Um, I have an online portfolio you can check. Go to donstudio.com so you can see my portfolio and the testimonials and everything that I got running. I have a web and marketing agency in Miami and Google Ads certified and Google partner. So I got plenty of Google Ads clients right now on a monthly basis. So I can really teach you how to work with Google and websites and landing pages and everything. So you can see some testimonials from my clients. You can browse my portfolio to see all the work that I've been performing in the past 19 years. Again, I've been working with marketing in the past 5 years, but with the webs, a lot more, right? So that's all I wanted to tell you. Thank you. Bye bye.